What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the future #1 reaction channel on all of YouTube. As always, guys, if you're new to this channel, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Welcome to the family. We're growing like crazy, man. We all just love talking about music, talking about life. It's so much fun doing this. It's so much fun to see the channel start to take off a tiny bit. And that's thanks to you guys, so I appreciate it a lot. We've got another Lana Del Rey song. This is Wildflower, Wildfire. It's a tongue twister. Wildfire. Yeah, I love Lana. I absolutely love her music. I mean, just her voice is... She's okay. I said this last Lana reaction. She is my celebrity crush. I love this girl. I love her music. I love her lyrics, her voice, everything. Let's just dive into this. Lana Del Rey, Wildfire. I have not heard this yet. Nice piano right away. I always have a soft spot for piano in songs. I play the piano myself, and it's such a beautiful instrument. And it's my favorite instrument. Not just, even if I didn't play it, it's just, there's so much feeling in like a soft piano, like this song.
Here's the deal. Cause I know you want to talk about it. Here's the deal. I promise you like a million tomorrows. Here's the deal. What I can promise is all lie down like a bed of wildflowers, and always make the sheets smell like gardenias.
Her voice is so nice in this. Like at the end when she's singing and she goes, and it's such a beautiful voice. And at the end of the lines, she kind of purposely makes it a bit raspy and a bit like off key. That it's gorgeous, man.
Your feet and I nourish you hazily, baby. I've been running on stardust alone for so long. I wouldn't know what hot fire was. Hot fire, hot weather, hot coffee. I'm better with you.
Wow.
It's strange, but it's true, darling. Not to turn into a wildfire to light up your night with a...
I find it hard to stop Lana Del Rey songs because I get so lost in the music. Like, I'm just listening to this and I'm bringing up the lyrics right now so I can read them because, like, I just get lost in her voice. It's ridiculous how good she is.
Don't leave my smile, nothing that binds. Baby, I'll be like a wildflower. I live on sheer willpower. I'll do my best never to turn into something that burns.
I like the line, you know, I'll be like a wildflower. I live on sheer willpower. Like a wildflower lives, like it's out in the open, right? It's just this wildflower. It has to force itself to get water and survive. And she's like, oh man, I don't even know.
Burns like the others, baby, burns. Here's the deal. Cause I know you want to talk about it. Here's the deal. You say there's gaps to fill, so here's the deal. My father never stepped in when his wife would rage at me, so I ended up awkward but sweet.
My father never stepped in when his wife would rage at me, so I ended up awkward but sweet. That's interesting. And she doesn't say like my mom. She says my father's wife. So I wonder if that's actually real, like if she's actually talking about her life there.
Later than hospitals, stand still on my feet, comfortably numbered with lithium came poetry and baby.
Pink Floyd reference there. Comfortably numb, and then lithium. That could be a Nirvana reference too. Interesting. Comfortably numb, but with lithium came poetry. What a line. What a line. So comfortably numb, but with lithium came poetry. Wow. Let's keep it running.
I've been running on Star Trek IVs for so long.
I've been running on Star Drip IVs for so long. So, like, what's been getting her by is stardom and everything that comes with it. Like, she's hooked into the industry, and that's what she's running on right now.
I wouldn't know how cruel the world was. Hot fire, hot weather, hot coffee, I'm better. So I turn, but I learned not to turn into a wildfire to light up.
Oh, the beat picking up is so good here. Those 808s in the background. I love how this song grows. Like a great song starts off slow, grows, and hits like the climax at the end of the song. High notes are crazy. Wow. Another classic from Lana. It's like from a different era. She's like, just her look even. She just looks like she came out of a different era. Then when she sings, it sounds like she's from a different era. There's something wholesome about her. There's something really pure about Lana Del Rey, and that's one of the reasons I love her. Anyway, that's a reaction. That's a bit of a breakdown. As always, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Until next time, guys, I'll see you around. Peace.